Today we are going to make a classic Blackberry Cobbler inspired by the dish in Stardew Valley. No bells, no whistles, and it can be done in under 90 minutes. We start by preheating the oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. Then we'll grease our baking dish with butter. You can use a big baking dish, but in my case, I'm going to use some ramekins. Place that aside, and in a bowl we're going to combine our dry ingredients. Flour, sugar, baking powder, a little cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Then grate some frozen cold butter and add that to the bowl. Mix to combine until you get a crumb-like texture. Then we'll add in either cream or buttermilk to help loosen the mix a tiny bit so it can be scooped. Once that's all mixed together, put that aside and we'll grab another bowl. In this bowl, we'll add the star ingredient, the blackberries. Into the blackberries, we'll add sugar, and then some citrus through lemon zest and juice. Don't forget to add a little cornstarch as well, and mix to combine, making sure the blackberries are coated well. Then we'll bring our prepped ramekins back out so we can now assemble our Blackberry Cobbler. I'll first scoop the blackberries in, not quite filling it all the way to the top. And then we'll add in our cobbler batter by scooping that on top of it, which is the classic way to make a Blackberry Cobbler. If we're feeling a little fancy, we can put some blackberries on top as well. Then we'll bake it for give or take 45 minutes until the crumb is golden, puffy, and set. You'll see some of that blackberry juice bubbling out. Once done, take them out of the oven and let them rest for 30 minutes before serving. This is our finished Blackberry Cobbler. To serve, I like it warm with a scoop of ice cream right on top. Now to answer, how does it taste? It's rustic, homestyle, and unfussy. The blackberries burst in your mouth and release this sweet, jammy flavor. The cobbler portion is like a fluffy butter biscuit that soaks in all those berry juices. There's contrast between the hot fruit and cold ice cream, and between the crisp toppings and the sweet berries. It's an absolute delight and a great way to whip up a quick dish using blackberries. You might say there's nothing quite like it. With that, please subscribe and hit the like button to support this channel. Let me know in the comments what else you think I should make. Until next time, thanks for watching.